Hello friends, I'm Manoj. I'm currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, which is affiliated with VTU Belgavi. This video is a part of financial management, and in this video I'm going to explain what are the dangers of excess of working capital. So the introduction is working capital. It is a lifeblood of any business that representing the difference between a company's current assets and current liabilities. So it ensures that a business has enough liquidity to meet its short-term obligations and operate smoothly. So while adequate working capital, it is essential for day-to-day operations. Having excess of working capital that can leads to inefficiencies and risks. So companies must strike a business balance to avoid the dangers associated with having too much of working capital. So this introduction explores the potential pitfalls of excessive working capital and the impact it can have on a business financial health and operational efficiency. So first point is reduced return on investment. So in this, excess working capital means that too much of money is tied up in current assets like inventory or accounts receivable. So this reduces the efficiency of assets utilization and lowering the company's overall return on investment. And second point is increased storage cost. So if a company holds too much of inventory, it incurs extra cost for storage, for handling and also possible insurance. So over time, this can eat into profitability. So third point is obsolescence risk. So this excessive inventory, especially for business dealing in perishable goods or fast changing products like electronics, runs the risk of becoming obsolete or losing value over time. So fourth point is liquidity trap. While high working capital can imply strong liquidity, and also it can also mean that funds are trapped in non-productive assets, making it harder to invest in more strategic opportunities that yield higher returns. So fifth point is higher operating cost. In this, it the managing an excessive amount of working capital in organization, like example inventory or receivables, it requires more efforts and resources, which can increase the operational cost. So sixth point is complacency in credit management. So excess of working capital may result from a lax credit policy where receivables are not collected efficiently. So this can lead to bad debts and increased risk of default by customers. So seventh point is missed investment opportunities. By locking cash in working capital, business may miss out of any like other profitable investments like expanding into new markets or upgrading the technologies. And eighth point is lower profit margins. So this working capital, excessive of working capital might indicate inefficient uses of resources, which can lower profit margins over time. So ninth point is opportunity cost. So this excess cash tied up in working capital could have been invested elsewhere to generate returns. So such as in new projects or any other acquisitions of a company or research and development. So the opportunity cost of holding too much working capital can be significant. So 10th point is impact on business agility. So companies with excessive working capital may be less agile in responding to the market changes or economic shifts. With cash tied up in current assets, business may be slower to pivot to new strategies or make acquisitions or implementing cost savings measures. So conclusion, In conclusions, while working capital, it is a vital for smooth functioning of a business. So excessive of working capital can lead to a significant inefficiencies and also risk, from reducing returns on investments and increasing storage cost to the risk of obsolescence and missed investment opportunities. So having too much of working capital tied up in current assets that can hinder a company's financial performance. Therefore, the business should have focus on optimizing the working capital levels, ensuring that efficient liquidity while minimizing waste and inefficiencies. So a well managed balance enable the business to operate effectively and seize the growth opportunities without unnecessary financial strains. So this is the end of the video, and thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do like for this video.